Hi everyone, my name is Kate. I am currently a case manager is the technical title for a diversionary court program for drug and alcohol treatment program in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I help with individuals getting into drug and alcohol treatment and any other type of resources that they may need. I also do evaluations for prisoners who are currently incarcerated and help them also get into drug and alcohol treatment. I just completed my first field placement at a mobile crisis unit in Montgomery County, where I would take phone calls for a crisis call as well as do some type of face-to-face, depending on the severity of the crisis. What I hope to get out of this course is a lot, actually. I really find this to be an interesting course. I think studying grief and loss honestly could be applied to any type of career or job, obviously, especially in social work. I think it's important to understand grief and loss and how to approach people and how to work, be just a good coworker, even if it's just that. But in particular for me, I'm also going for my homeschool visitor certification to be a school social worker. So I think if a student was to lose a significant person in their life, or if the school went through a major trauma of some kind, and understanding that grief and loss and how to help those students through that is going to be really important. So that's something that I am also looking forward to and I think is relevant to my future career. And I'm actually really excited for this course and really looking forward to the different materials we're going to read. So I hope everybody enjoys this summer semester. Thanks.